In today's video, I'm going to show you how to set a featured image fallback in your WordPress theme. A featured image plays a big role in how your site looks, but sometimes a post or page is published without one. When that happens, a fallback image ensures your site still looks clean and professional. To begin, log into your WordPress dashboard. From the left-hand menu, open the Plugins section and click Add New. In the search bar, type Default Featured Image or Fallback Featured Image. These plugins are designed to automatically display an image whenever a post doesn't have one set. Browse through the results and choose a plugin with good ratings and recent updates. Once you've made your choice, click Install Now and then Activate. This enables the plugin on your site. After activation, head to the plugin settings page. Most fallback image plugins add a new option under the settings menu or create their own menu item. Inside the settings, you'll find an option to upload a default image. This image will appear whenever a featured image is missing, so choose one that matches your site's design and branding. You'll also be able to select which post types should use the fallback image. This usually includes posts and pages, but you can also enable it for custom post types if your site uses them. Once everything is set, save your changes. That's it. Your WordPress site will now automatically display a fallback featured image whenever one isn't assigned, keeping your layout consistent and visually appealing. Thanks for watching and happy blogging.